starting this just a little bit early, I just wanted to show you what I've done. I've mixed up 3 different greens. I've got Jade, Shamrock Shimmer, which is a synthetic, and Melon Fizzer with a little bit of activated charcoal in it. And in here I've put just a tiny little smidge of Lime Spider. I just wanted to show you this before I mixed it up. Oh, I haven't cleaned that. Because I wanted to see just how little I'd put in there. I'm doing Christmas Cedar, so the plan is to make it kind of look like green mountains, because it does have kind of an earthy tone to it. I kind of don't hate it, kind of not a fan. So, but yeah, so everything is in here ready to go. So I just put that just a little bit in there just to see. I just wanted it to just be off-white. Now I'm going to put the lid on this, because if anything's going to fall off this desk, it'll be the activated charcoal. Alright, so we have to put our line. I'm loving this colour. Oh my god, I love it so much. I'm surprised it's green. Oh look, it's just greens and turquoises at the moment. I think because I'm so stressed, I'm looking for colours that are calming. Could be. I'm not entirely sure. I'm painting the wall of the shop Aquamarine Sea, which is a Taubman's colour, if anyone wants to have a look at it. There's that bug just landed in there just then. Come out, you little shit. Ah, the joys of Australia. Bugs around every corner. That one was not trying to kill me, although it could have been. It might have been a drop fruit fly. I'm pretty sure it was a fruit fly. And as per usual, green has a tendency to just do weird shit, so I'm not worried. I don't know how this fragrance performs, so what I might do is I'll go grab the mould now, so if the shit hits the fan, I can just pour it in or stomp it in. I was just thinking about how much work I've done this week. It's insane. I've sewn 6 pencil rolls, I think. What else have I done? Now, these all need to be reasonably even, so I might even pour this last bit out as well, and then I'll know exactly. We'll assume I don't need this, and hopefully it doesn't rise or anything. I couldn't find any info on the fragrance at all, other than that it's body safe, so that was it. That was it. Yeah, so it's been a very busy week, but you know, it's been a very busy friggin' month. But it's all good. I wouldn't be any other way. I like being busy. I get bored too easy if I've got nothing to do, so it's always good if I've got things to do. But yeah, definitely looking more towards greens and turquoises, and like the resin that I want to work. I've just bought some. Oh no, I haven't bought. Oh yeah, I've got it in my cart at Just Resin. Just like $150 worth of stuff that I can't afford, which is why it's still sitting in the cart. Of like greens and teals and aquas, and I think there might be a pink or something in there. There's whites and just the pastes for the resin. But yeah. Alright, so that one's mixed-ed. This one, not so much. But yeah, I think I worked out I'd made like 800 melts or something. And I've just poured 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19 candles. Not 16 candles, but 19. Yeah, so it's been a busy week. If this fragrance plays up, I'm in so much trouble. Look what I've done. I have just made it so hard for myself here. Oh, well, never mind. Never mind. Tear you. And then we'll tear you again. And then we pour this stinky stuff in. There we go. So it's not awful. It just smells it smells like dirt and moss, and it smells like the ground, basically, or a damp forest, which does not a Christmas make. I don't feel. But let's go into this one first and see what happens. Put that back down for a minute. I don't know why I put it. What I put in this one first. This is the one that's supposed to go in last. Oh, I'm a dickhead. I'm such an idiot. Right. Whatever. I'm so stupid. Sometimes I wonder about myself. I wonder why I do the things I do. Yeah, it's definitely... it's not a scent you would mistake for anything else, really. Get those out of the way. Told you what all those were, so that's good. It's heating up. I can feel it heating up in the cup. So, this is going to have to be quick. I'm just going to pour some off in here. And then the rest of that can go in there. And I'll leave that for the top. Right, this one's next. Actually, it's not that bad. It's really not. Righto. I'm going to have to pour it on the spatula. I actually probably could have done layers with this. Ah, well, the things you learn. Never mind. It definitely has a wet dirt smell. Yeah, or mossy kind of moss. Yeah, moss, dirt, sort of. Can you guys see? Probably not. Ugh. You can only get so far up the mould before you can't go any further. Well, in these ones anyway. It is setting up now a bit. Now I don't actually care if these are level, because they're kind of supposed to look like mountains anyway, so I wasn't particularly worried about that. Oof. Yeah. I won't say it smells like Pino Clean, the disinfectant, but it kind of has like cleanery kind of tones to it. Oh, I can't describe it. It's just, it's one of those ones you're just gonna have to smell for yourselves. Alright, onto the spatch again. Sorry if you can't really see this, guys. I just don't want that last bit to set up too much on me. If I can help it. That's not too bad, hey? It's a pretty colour. I like that colour a lot, actually. I like this colour too. Wow. First one of the day. I was also thinking it might be the last one of the day because my feet are sore. I will see, because I do have a lot to do. So this is definitely more set up, because obviously because I mixed it first. But there's really not very much I can do about that. That was just stupidity on my part. It's really hot, like really, really hot in the cup. And I'm just gonna just sprinkle the other greens on here, just to give it a bit of interest. I'm not gonna mess with it too much. I'll go in reverse. I like it. It definitely lends itself well to green because it's got very green notes in it. So, can't believe this is the one that I'm the happiest with. Oh, so funny. So I was just like, I have to stop doing smells that I want to do. I thought I'll do that Christmas Cedar because I wasn't overly fussed with that. So, and then here we are, and it played like a champion. So there you go. Good on it. So, have you guys watched Another Life yet? If you haven't, you bloody well should. My missus was on there. I always call Katie Sackhoff my future wife, because, you know, if she could be my future wife, that would be fabulous. It's Katie Sackhoff we're talking about here. Have you guys seen the woman? She's talented, smart, beautiful. Boyfriend's hot as. That would be Carl Urban. That man is just something else. Have you watched The Boys? God, that was good. Wow, that was so good. So gruesome. See, now this looks like the floor of a forest. This is really good. I'm not going to put glitter on this one. Oh my gosh, I know. There we go. No more, because we're going to cover all the other colours too much. I might actually see if I can get a little bit more of this one out and a bit more of the other two pale ones, just to bring them back up again. No, not going to happen. I might be able to get some out of the palest of pales. There we go. Just a few little scattered bits of paler green. Yeah, beautiful. Love it. Absolutely love it. It was messy. Now we don't need you. You can go in there. Wow, very messy. But totally worth it. Totally worth it. I'm so stoked with that. The inside now is going to probably look like shit because I like it so much. Oh crap. Supposed to be standing on that, not tripping over it. I have a piece of foam out of the bottom of might have been my dishwasher box when the dishwasher came. And it's great for standing on because my feet get so sore. Because I'm so fat, see, and you know, feet get sore when you're fat. Feet get sore when you're not fat too, but especially when you're fat. Yes, and here's me. I'm so busy tripping over it, I forget to stand on it all the time. Which is, you know, pretty typical. Oh, how did that get in there? There's a bit over here. I mean, was it flying everywhere? Oh, obviously. But I didn't forget to make it smell me, so there's that. I love that. Yeah, definitely no glitter on that. Alright, well, I will shut the hell up. That wasn't the word I was going to use then. And we will see what happens when we cut it. Alright, bye-bye. Toodle-oo. Hi, guys. So this one has got... Ow! I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's got a bit of fragrance leakage on top. So I'm not going to wipe it off. I'm actually going to leave it there because a lot of times it will just absorb back in. So yeah, so I'm not overly worried about it. Just got this one, and it's sticky too. The other two, another fruit fly attacking me. Oh yeah, okay, and it has all these little white spots, which I don't know. I often think they got to do with ricing, but this didn't rice. It smells like dirt. I don't like it. Yeah, so it's definitely an odd one. We'll cut them up, have a look inside, see what happened. Well, the colours are friggin' fantastic. Look at that. If that isn't like, you know, a mountain range sort of thing that's very green, and the top green is that one, is lovely. You can see the heat ring. So yeah, and yeah, there's the fragrance leakage. Like I said, I'm not worrying about it because it generally absorbs back in. I think it's just some fragrances are stronger than others, and they do that. So yeah, which means great, I'm going to have it all over my hands. Fantastic. I was trying not to get any stinking smells on me today. Ah well. But yes, I like it. I'm liking how all the layers are looking. I like all the greens. They came out really nice. This one was far out. What was that? I do not know. What the hell? Anyway, I'll just keep going with this and hope a big giant lizard doesn't come in and eat me or something. Scared the shit out of me. I don't know. But yes, I think this one's come up really well. I'm quite looking forward to it when it's finished. So I'll keep an eye on it, see if the fragrance leakage absorbs back in. This also has slight glycerin rivers in it. Very, very slight though, so. And that's it. Alright. Well, I will see you guys for the next one. Bye bye.